Everybody, I'm back here. I'm going to show you guys how to use the force. I'm going to use it in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I'm closing it. We have a special guest, by the way. Hello.
Now we're going to prank our cousin Zoe.
Yeah, now we're going to prank our cousin Zoe.
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Now who's the cameraman?
Who's the cameraman? Yeah. Okay.
It's really tight.
We're gonna pause this and we're gonna go get our cousin Zoe. It's asleep. So since this one can only open, I guess I might just try to open this one like right here. Cause guy can only go from. Plus this door is like a halfway fake. My dad had just built something, so there's nothing under it that he can push. All right, you ready? I'm gonna use it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm closing it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job.
Hey, why are you still under there? Is it comfortable? Yeah. Maybe. Okay. Oh, yes. Alright guys, well, that's all I have for today. See you guys. Bye.